I learned on my 6th year of priesthood that the most important ingredient of becoming a good priest is self-denial. Self-denial. Kapag ang isang pari ay nakalilimutan, or when we are being neglected, that even if you are being neglected, you don't feel hurt with the insults coming from the people. That even if you are being insulted, your heart is still happy. At tawag mo doon, kamatayan sa sarili. At the back of the priest, there could be a lot of stories to tell. There could be a lot of insults to do or insults to give. Pero ang pari mo inaanyayahan na sa likod ng mga insulto, sa likod ng mga kwentong hindi totoo, manatiling masaya ang puso. At kapag nanatiling masaya ang puso, that is dying to self. Namamatay sa sarili. When the priest, or when the advice of the priest is being disregarded, kapag ang opinion ay pinagtatawanan, when opinions are ridiculed, and when the priest refuses to let anger rise in his heart and take it all in patient and loving silence, that is dying to self. When the priest lovingly and patiently bears disorder, irregularity, tardiness, and annoyance, and endure it as Jesus endured it, that is dying to self. When a priest never care to reward yourself with conversation or record your own good works or ask for praise for an accomplishment, when you can truly love to be unknown, that is dying to self. I-appreciate nyo man, i-affirm nyo naman, i-acknowledge nyo man o hindi, ang isang pari kikilos at gagawa sapagkat iyon ang kanyang pupulin. Yun ang pinagkaloob sa kanya ng Diyos nang siya'y ordinahan, nang siya'y atasan ng obispo na mag-iisang pari at maglingkod sa sambayanan. When a priest can take correction, and when he can humbly submit inwardly as well as outwardly, with no rebellion or resentment rising up within your heart, that is dying to self. nawa ko sa pagdiriwang ng ika-6 na taon ng ordinasyon ng pagkapari ng inyong lingkod. Tayong lahat ay magsama-sama sa biyaya ng pasasalamat sa kapahal-mahal ng puso ni Jesus. Ang kumlihan ng bawat pari, ang kumlihan ng mga paring nagdirikot, ang puso ni Jesus ang sentro ng aming buhay, ang sentro ng aming pagministeryo.